It's true that I had my level best to increase this address by 1, but it is getting increased by 2. Why? Because it is pointing to an integer. An integer occupies 2 bytes in the computer's memory. So how many bytes it would get increased, that would depend upon the size of the data type. That would be decided by the size of the data type. If it would be of float type, then it would be increased by 4. Float type 4. So can you tell me, if I write PTR is equal to PTR plus 10, then what will be the value? How much it would get increased? 20. Yes, PTR is equal to PTR plus 10. It would become 20. Okay. Okay, let me see it. Let me check it out. So if I write PTR is equal to PTR plus 10, if I write PTR is equal to PTR plus 10, then let me check it out. What is happening? It has become 10. Okay, it has become 10. FFFC plus 20. I shall have to check that FFFC plus 20 whether it is 10 or not. 20 means one increment means 2 bytes, so 10 increment means 20 bytes. Okay, so FFFC. Okay, now let me do the rough work here. FFFC plus 20. 20 means what? Can you tell me please, anyone? What is 20? 20 means 1 4. 20 means 1 4, isn't it? Because 16 plus 4. Okay, now let me do the addition. Let me do the addition. Yes, visible. 20 means 16 to the power of 1. 1 into 16 to the power of 1 plus 4 into 16 to the power of 0. So what is the place value for this one? 16 to the power of 0. What is the place value for this one? 16 to the power of 1. What is the place value for this one? 16 square. What is the place value for this one? 16 cube. So 20 can be represented in this way. Okay. What is C? 12. What is 4? 4. 12 plus 4? 16. 60 means what? 0 carries 1. 60 means what? 0 and carries 1. Isn't it? Am I clear? What is 16? 50 means what? F. After F, what is the number? 1 0. 1 0. So 0 is there, 1 is carried. Okay. Now 1 is 1. F means 15. 1 is 1. Then what is the value? 17 means 1 1. Okay. So here it is 1 means 1 and this one is F. So 16. 16 means 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1. Okay. So 1 plus F 16. 16 means 0 plus 1. But as I was dealing with 4 digit number, so now this one will be truncated out. So I'll be remaining with 0 0 1 0. So I'll be remaining with 0 0 1 0. I was dealing with 16-bit number. When 17th bit will come, then that will be trimmed, that will be truncated. প্রত্যেকে যেন বুঝতে পারে ভাই, ছিল না কি বলবো? Ampersand PTR means the memory space occupied for the address PTR, for the variable PTR. PTR means the content in PTR, that is the address of A. Ampersand and pointer PTR means the content of the address, that is the content of A. That is one. Content of the address PTR. Fine. Memory space occupied for the variable PTR. What is ampersand and A? Memory space occupied by the variable A. So similarly, ampersand and PTR means the memory space occupied by the variable PTR. PTR is also a variable. PTR is also a variable. But that variable does not contain the value itself, but it contains the address where the value is residing. Content of that address. Content of the contained address. Content TNT of the contained address হোল্ড করছে কিন্তু তার কন্টেন্ট হচ্ছে পয়েন্টার পিটিআর। এর অ্যাড্রেসটা গেছে পিটিআর এর মধ্যে। স্টার পিটি মানে হচ্ছে 100। পিটিআর মধ্যে যে অ্যাড্রেস আছে সেই অ্যাড্রেসে কম
content of the address
Content.
pointed by the
content of the address pointed by the PTR, which you have written here already. Okay, now why that 0010 had come? I know this one. I know. Why that 0010 had come? I know. Up to this part, any question? Anyone in this class? Please ask me. Go on asking me questions. I will not get annoyed. Okay. Should I proceed? Fine. So save as POINTER pointer to the C. Okay. এখন তো অন্য হয়ে গেছে না, সব অ্যাড্রেস চেঞ্জ হয়ে গেছে। এই গার্বেজ, নাও ইট ইজ প্রিন্টিং দ্য গার্বেজ। Okay, now you see. Now I'm going to discuss the next one. Now I'm making this PTR as, now let me compile this program at first. Let me compile this program at first. Compile build on. Any warning here? Any warning? No. Okay, fine. So you can call me as Mr. Clean. Character pointer PTR. So here A is equal to 100, PTR is equal to ampersand sign A. So I'm printing the corresponding values. Okay. Okay. Now let me compile my program. Is there any warning here? Yes. What is the source of that warning? Suspicious pointer conversion. Can anyone suggest any opinion? Suspicious pointer conversion. What does it mean? No, you see, the warning is at line number 39. So 39 means that very line where the marker is there. This very line. Actually, you see, PTR is supposed to hold a character's address, character contents address, not the address of an integer variable. Okay, so that's why suspicious, যাকে বাংলায় বলে সন্দেহজনক pointer conversion. So what should I do? I should do the typecasting. Sorry, I should do the typecasting. I should do the typecasting. Character pointer within bracket start character pointer. So now if I compile this program now, you see any warning? No. You can do the typecasting on both sides. You can do the typecasting on the both sides also. But actually this sort of typecasting is not mandatory because it has been done already. So this sort of typecasting must be done forcefully. So it indicates that the address of A whose default data type is integer pointer, now it has been converted to character pointer and has been assigned to the PTR. Okay, ঠিক আছে এগোচ্ছি। আমি যদি বলি গরু ইজ ইকুয়াল টু ছাগল, will it work? No. আমি যদি বলি number of choke of, গরু ইজ ইকুয়াল টু number of eyes of ছাগল, so that can work. That means on the both side I must be doing some typecasting. So then the assignment operation is flawless. Okay, now what am I having a value? 100. Okay, let me see you. Yes, the same outputs I've got. Same output I have got, which I got in my previous case studies also. করা যাবে না তো বুলিয়ান yes or no. তো টেম্পারেচার কন্ট্রোলটা খারাপ হয়ে গেছে। No, you see, now I'm showing you what is happening. Now let us suppose I'm making this I'm making this 100 to 400. Now I'm making this